Welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do another tutorial, specifically on the Lily origami. And, since we already have our diagonal from lick tearing the paper, we can go ahead and fold it over. We're just gonna make the other diagonal fold. If you want a more in-depth explanation of all that we're doing, just check out my first tutorial, the crane. And, so we're making a plus by doing these. Okay, now we have the foundational folds with one reversed, of course, because we're gonna collapse the square slash preliminary base. Again, if you do want a more in-depth explanation, see the crane video. Okay, so now we have the square slash preliminary base. Also take note that most of the tutorial will be upside down because of the angle I'm filming. So you should see it like this. Fold one side to the other. Doesn't really matter. And then fold this edge to the center. Now we're going to make what's called a squash fold. Use your thumb or any other finger to open it up and collapse it down on the crease made earlier. Now, take this edge to the center and this edge to the center. Now, this is one of the more complicated steps. Open it up and see this fold here goes to this line here. Pinch at that line and make a line going from there to this middle point. And then collapse. Do the same on the other side. It helps if you kind of pull it up. And then flatten it. Once you're done with this, fold it back over and repeat on this flap, and this flap. Oh yeah, also pointer, if you need help with this fold, then you can just fold the top down, but only make a mark in the middle here. And that's where you'll push it up. Once flattens, again, pull it back down. And there, it should look like this. You finish two. Now flip to the other side and do the same thing. One more flap to go. With that flap done, flip it over to the front, flip it upside, this side, if you were folding it, and then take this and fold it to the center. Do the same on this side. Now, take this flap, fold it over, and do the same on this flap. Hang on. Okay. Yeah, do the same on that flap, and then swing it back over. Now, do the same on the other flaps. Hang on. Okay. Yeah, just do that. I actually messed up and only did this layer, not this layer. And now put it like that. Layers again. Oh, okay. It is supposed to be this layer. And then this was a double layer. Okay. But that'd be a lesson to you kids. Don't go making the same mistakes as me. Anyway, you should see it like this. Now, open it up so it's kind of like three-dimensional. And then fold down each of these flaps. Let them swing upward, and the model will now be 3D. Now, curl these flaps with your finger. And there, the finished Origami Traditional Lily. I often use this as a gift model. So, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have fun folding.